Pearl sizes. Pearl size is measured in millimeters. Pearl size is measured according to its diameter in millimeters. Size range from 1 mm or less in the case of very tiny pearls to as much as 20 mm for large salty pearls. The average pearl size today is around 7 mm. Most pearls sold today, however, are in the 7 to 7.5 mm range. Akoya pearls greater than 8 mm are considered extremely rare. The largest pearls in akoya oyster can produce is around 9 to 10 millimeters. Pearls larger than 10 millimeters are generally not akoya pearls, but are instead black Tahitians, white South Sea pearls, or large freshwater pearls. The larger the pearl size, the greater the likely value. Generally speaking, the larger the size of the pearls, the greater its value, all other factors being equal. Larger pearls not only require larger oyster to produce them, but they require much more time to develop inside the oyster. An average pearl can take 2 to 3 years to develop. Significantly larger pearls can take twice as long. In addition, because it is difficult to maintain a perfectly spherical shape while the pearls develops, large round pearls are extremely rare and valuable. Pearl size will vary in strands. When shopping for pearl, it is important to note that strands are rarely of uniform size. The internationally recognized standards for measuring akoya pearls will always have a 0.5 mm differential within an individual strand. Per industry standards today, a strand measuring 7.5 mm will actually be composed of pearl measuring 7 to 7.5 mm. This should be noted in any appraisal or description of the pearls. The smaller pearls will be located near the clasp, and the larger pearls will be in the center of the necklace. This is considered a uniform strand, not a graduating strand. Freshwater pearls are more often given a full millimeters range of size. For example, a strand of 8 mm freshwater pearls may be measured 7 to 8 mm in size. This is not an absolute standard, however, as as many high-quality freshwater pearls are sized similar to akoya pearls with a mere 0.5 mm differential. Tahitian and South Sea pearls are typically measured individually, but to be considered a uniform strand, they may be up to a 1 mm differential from the barbs to the center of the necklace. For example, a 9 to 10 mm strand of Tahitian pearls is considered a uniform strand, but an 8 to 10 mm strand is considered slightly grade varying.